Hey guys, this is 2367 Ruben here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Star Wars Ultimate FX lightsaber from Hasbro. Yup. And I got the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber. You see, right here. Here. Okay. Basically, it works on batteries basically, yeah. And you need 3 AAA batteries or 2. I think 2 or 3. I don't know. Either each of them. But I think I'm gonna buy 3 first. Okay, AAA. Okay, so here's the on button right here. Basically, yep. And then right here is where all the sound comes from, the motor and all. And then this is where you screw. This is where you screw. When you take out the screw, and after that you put in the batteries. Yep. And then here is the on and off. And then this is different from the Star Wars electronic lightsaber, since it has an on and off button. Not this one. They both have this, but not the Star Wars electronic lightsaber doesn't have this. You see? Yep. And this is the off button, and this is the try me button. I'll show you how the try me button looks like. It's different, and then it will just like go off immediately sometimes. Yep, sometimes it will just go off immediately. See? If I turn it off, it will go back on. This is the try me. Try me is like that. Yeah, because it's just try me. Okay, so now I'm putting it on mode. Okay, so see? Then the light comes from here all the way to here. Yeah, let me demonstrate. See, it went from here all the way to there, and when it goes back, it goes the opposite direction. Yep, I know, it's pretty cool lightsaber. Yep. I think this lightsaber is better than the electronic lightsaber. It's way brighter, and I'm pretty surprised that in the light it's still pretty bright, as you can see. Yep. This is the type of sound. The first sound is like this. That's the first type. Second type, the moving button. Yep, how it sounds when it's moving, and the off button, and the last one when it's hitting. When you hit it, it flashes. It's pretty cool. Yep. So now I'm going to be showing you how does this lightsaber look like in real dark. Okay, let's go. 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 Oh no, someone's sleeping there. Wait. Oh shit. Okay. Right here. Okay. This is how it looks like in dark. Now you cannot see it. Now you do. It lights up the whole room, as you see. Pretty cool. Yep, it's way brighter than it's in the light. This is a very good lightsaber. I love it. The whole lightsaber. Yep, so that's how it looks like in the dark. So thank you for watching this review today, and stay tuned for more reviews soon. Thank you and bye.